guys, John here, and this week I bring to you some more interesting, weird, quirky tools. But where have I got them from this time? Well, there's no better place to look than Amazon for unusual tools. So this video, I'm going to be going through some of my favourite and weirdest, quirkiest finds from the past couple of months on Amazon. And I'll be organising them all in a Flex L-Box tool case. So you can get this tool case on Amazon, and you can get shadow foam inserts for it from Amazon as well. And as I go through my weird and wonderful tools from Amazon, I'll be organising them in there. So without further ado, let's get into it. Starting with a very cool little gadget I'm going to be adding to the side of my compact toolkit, and that is this cable tie holder. This thing, very simple. It literally has got a carabiner clip. It's going to go on the side of my compact toolkit. This is already decked out in shadow foam, and it comes with me wherever I go. If you want to see the video on this, I'll link it up here, the compact toolkit. But I will be updating this very, very soon, so make sure you subscribe for that. One of the common ways to store cable ties is to take one of the cable ties, wrap it around them, and then obviously they're all tight, but as you start pulling them out, that gets slacker and slacker and they can all go everywhere. With this very, very simple little device, this little key ring, this will hold on to all of the cable ties, and the difference is, as you pull them out, this spring latch on it will get tighter and tighter, holding them all in. So even if I take out half of the pile over time, all of these are still held in there because that has just tightened up essentially. So very simple and an absolute bargain. You get 2 of these from Amazon for £6 with free shipping. So that is pretty epic, really cool little item, very simple little upgrade for my tool bag. So a little beauty, that cable tie organizer, very cheap, £6 for a pack of 2. And I will put links in the description for all the tools that I'm showing you on this video, just to make it easier if any of them catch your eye. So a little beauty that, and that will definitely be staying on my compact toolkit. Next up, I've got something pretty cool from Fanttik. Now, I've got a few tools from Fanttik, and they're all very, very clever, compact tools. This is something new, though, that I saw at Europe's largest tool fair, and I had to get my hands on one. It's their new Fanttik V8 Apex. Let's open it up and have a look. So I've got everything out of the box, and obviously this is the main unit, which is the inflator and vacuum. You've got 2 blowers, 2 different size blowers, which go on this end here, and it's pretty powerful in its normal mode, but if I press this dot button, it goes into boost. It's a little beast, that is. That is as powerful as these little kind of viral air blowers. But it's not just an air blower, because on the other end, you've got a really decent vacuum cleaner with quite a nice little easy to empty container. So you can empty all the rubbish out of it nice and easy. Really compact little vacuum cleaner, this. And then the variety of different nozzles, just clip in the end. And it's good to go. Give it a bit of a test. Let me try the most interesting looking nozzle, which is this one. I've seen portable vacuums, little handheld vacuums before, but this is pretty awesome, especially for valeting in a car or detailing. You want to get down the side of a seat, you can hold that at your side. You've got like 70 centimeters of extension hose, loads of power, and get right into awkward to reach spots. To have in your car, or maybe in a motorhome or a camper van, that's kind of my first thought for this. Having it in the caravan, takes up very little room, gives you a vacuum cleaner in your motorhome, but also the ability to blow up an airbed or a lilo or whatever it is, an inflatable ball. I've got 3 kids and there's always some inflatable to inflate, and having that is very, very handy. So a little beauty from Amazon, $79.99, but Fanttik sent me this along with a discount code, which I'll put on screen, so you can get a nice little discount on one of these if you're interested. And again, I'll put a link in the description. I also really like the fact that it's USB-C charged. So this will just slot in with your normal electronics, and on a full charge, it'll last for 2.5 hours. It's also very light, weighing 1.1 pounds. And I forgot to mention, actually, it did come with a bag. So all the accessories all fits nicely inside this little bag here, which is pretty good going, isn't it? A tire inflator, powerful vacuum, all in that small space. I think is pretty epic. Another really cool tool from Fanttik is their F2 Master. Now, this thing I saw on the Brothers Make channel. If you don't know who Brothers Make are, they do some amazing stuff with recycled plastic. They make some lovely shades, and recently they showed the Fanttik F2 Master because they use it to make the loops. And what is it, I hear you ask? Well, it is a precision rotary tool, you know, similar to a Dremel, USB-C charged, stows away in this lovely little holder that's got all of the rotary deburring bits on there. Look at that mechanism. I didn't even know it had that twist mechanism, to be fair. I'll take one of the little ceramic bits, clamp that in the jaws, and I've got this little plant pot that Brothers Make made me out of shadow foam. So this was a while back now. I went down to the Brothers Make workshop down in Bournemouth, sorted them out with some shadow foam inserts to organise some of their measurement tools, and while we were there, we put some shadow foam scraps into one of their extruders, made this little pot, and on the bottom of it, it could do with an engraving. So with this little Dremel tool, all you have to do is twist the top to turn it on, press down on the plus minus, and up to the max speed. There we go. Made from shadow foam. I needed that so I don't forget. It's such a surprising tool, this, because it's so compact, but also powerful. This one is $89.99. Use the code on screen now to get a discount off this. Slightly different to the last code, but definitely a healthy discount. Another little tool I've picked up very recently is the Warsun T7. This is a very slim, very bright LED torch. So it's 400 lumen, super slim. It's only literally about 7 or 8 mil. It's got a magnet in the end, and it's also got a directional light and then like an area light. Super bright area light magnet on it, but taking up a very, very small amount of room. And it's also got this emergency blue and red flashing light, which I do like. It's a very good security feature, I'd say. There's nothing puts off somebody more than a flashing blue light. This is an item I picked up for my little Maxpedition micro toolkit, which is basically a pouch with some super small form factor tools in it, which you can just have in a glove box or on your person in a backpack. So I've had that for a long time. And if you would like to see that, my little Maxpedition everyday carry toolkit, or maybe what you call a super, super compact toolkit, let me know. Great little addition. This is much brighter than the torch that's already in there. And all of that for a tenner, which was just the cherry on the cake, really. Super bright, super slim. It's got a magnet and a little pocket clip, and it was a tenner. So a little beauty, that really well made as well. So that is the Warsun T7. Another cool little tool that I found on Amazon is the Winbag, made in Denmark. And this thing is like a blood pressure monitor meets an airbag. So essentially, you've got this little pump here, which pumps up this bag, which you can lift up to 70 kilos, and you can put it underneath a door, you can put it underneath an appliance to lift it off the ground, which does make life easy, particularly for hanging doors. Fire doors, very heavy. That's where I've used a bigger version of this. But they've got a Winbag Mini. I found this at Eisenhower Messe, which is Europe's biggest show. They had a great little demo station there, which I had a good go of. Another very handy tool and cheap, £12.50 you can pick this up for on Amazon. Another cool tool I found on Amazon is the Flex 4-volt screwdriver. Now I can't take credit for this. I saw this on the DIY Guys channel and was intrigued, had to get my hands on one. So it comes with a little soft bag and a USB-C charging lead. A couple of screwdriver bits as well. A full charge gives you 5 hours of use. You've got 7 torque settings, a nice bright ring LED on the end. It's got a really nice feel to it. Nice weight, nice rubber grip, loads of rubber around here. This is just a solid wooden worktop here. It can drive a screw all the way in. You know, it's not a drill, it's not a combi drill this, it's purely a screwdriver. No piloted hole, and it's driven a 1.5 inch screw straight into a solid wooden table. So a lot of power in it. This would be a lot handier to have in your toolkit because it's a lot more versatile, can do a lot more heavier duty work with it. And like I say, it feels really solid. We've also got a battery indicator on it. Like I say, it charges with USB-C, so the same lead that'll charge that torch and charge the Hoover can charge this, which it's just nice to see that everything is moving to a standard plug, and therefore you don't need a whole like drawer of leads. $59.99 for a really good German quality screwdriver, because if you didn't know, Flex, German brand. A lot of people think it's American because they see a lot of the grey Flex tools over in America. Flex is a big German brand, so lovely bit of quality. Definitely going to be adding that to my toolkit. That can go in the foam. And I actually met Flex at a recent show, told them I was going to be putting the screwdriver into my Amazon video, and they sent me 5 for the giveaway. They'd seen the videos, they know what it's all about, they know that my giveaways always need 5, and there we go, 5 4-volt screwdrivers. And all you've got to do to get involved is drop a comment down below. There's a conversation about tools below this video. I do read all of them and I reply to as many as I can. And as long as you've subscribed, that is all you've got to do to enter the giveaway. Next up, I've got the maddest silicone gun I think I've ever seen. Definitely quirky, definitely unusual. This thing is a silicone gun that attaches to your drill or impact driver. It's got a 1/4 inch attachment here. Plug it into the drill, and then down here you've got like a Velcro strap that goes around it. It is relatively effective. Once that's strapped in there, it's pretty solid. Before I put the silicone in, you can see essentially we've got an electric silicone gun. You can buy electric silicone guns nowadays, or corking guns. They are a few quid. You pay over £100 for a corking gun. This attachment, 32 quid. So let's give it a test. That is awesome. When you're trying to run like a thick bead of silicone around windows or flooring and you're trying to get a consistent bead, that is such an effective gadget. £32, it attaches to the drill, nice and solid, nice and quick. It's basically as quick as your drill can be. Take out the tube, change it to the next one. That is epic. That is probably one of my favorite drill attachments. You can get all sorts of attachments to drills. You can get like metal shears, you can get a rivet gun, but I do think that is probably the most unusual, but one of the most effective. If you'd like to see me do a video about all sorts of drill attachments, let me know in the comments. There are a few other crazy attachments which gives you more versatility out your drill, but I think that is an absolute beauty. That is a beauty. That is the Tivoly F300, 32 quid. What a beast. That brings me to my last pick from Amazon, and really it is my top pick, and that is the 12-inch light level from Franklin Sensors. This thing is a beauty. I saw a couple of short videos about this, so I had to get one. Picked up from Amazon, $24.99, and what is it? Well, this doesn't need much explanation. It's a 12-inch level, and it lights up. When something's level, it goes green. And it's not just if it's horizontally level, if you're looking to plumb up something, you can have it vertically, and if it's slightly out, it'll be orange. If it's majorly out, it's red. It gets redder, bright red. And as you come closer to plum, it's getting yellower, yellower, closer to green, green when it's plum. That is just fantastic. That is such a satisfying, simple product. For me, I thought this was super cool just for any application, but a couple of applications that I thought stood out. If you're leveling up a trailer, or you're leveling up a camper van or a motorhome, having that, I'm a bit of a caravanner. Don't know if you knew that, but if ever you're pulling up at a site in the evening, you park up the caravan. Some caravans will have an auto leveler on them and they'll have the legs to level, but mine didn't. I had to wind the legs. Having that flashing green when you level, I think is just a no-brainer tool. $24.99 and you've got that in the dark to make sure something's level. For $24.99, I think that is such a satisfying and good quality tool. Made in the USA, it takes one AA battery, so it's really quick and easy to just load it up with a fresh battery when it runs out, and it's magnetic too. So you've got a magnetic strip on the bottom. I love the fact that it's for level and for plumb. The fact that they just thought about that as well. If you're plumbing up a door or anything, to be fair, stud work, you've got it nice and easy working both ways. So that is my top pick from Amazon. Real little beauty that is. So that is the last tool, and I've got a rough layout going on my grey 50mm insert for the L box. And it's dead simple to cut all these items into shadow foam. All you've got to do is grab your cutting kit, which comes with an anti-cut glove. Now it does come with a pair of gloves, to be fair, but I always just put the one on my left hand, the hand that is in harm's way. I get a scalpel with a fresh blade. Again, a scalpel and blades come in our cutting kits, free with most orders at shadowfoam.com. And then it's simply a case of placing the item where you want it to go on the shadow foam. You're essentially using the scalpel like a pencil and just capturing the silhouette on the foam. Then we can move the item out of the way, and then we go back and cut down deeper. So that level, I want to cut it 20mm into the foam, so I want to make sure I've cut at least 20mm, if not 25, 30mm into the foam. Once I've cut all the way down, all I have to do then is push my finger down one end and then peel back the foam, and then pull it back towards me, peel the foam layers. And we're not peeling it like a banana where you peel it one end. We're kind of like ploughing out the material and we're peeling it as we go. So I'll peel back another layer just to make sure it's nice and snug in there. And that is my first item done. And I use the exact same process for all of the other items, and then I'll cut in some finger pulls. Let's carry on cutting. So there we have it. That is all of the tools cut in. There's probably a load of cool products on Amazon I've missed. So make sure if there's something you've picked up recently that you're really impressed with, you're really happy with, maybe it's something a bit unusual like the Franklin Sensors light up level, let me know in the comments, because I am always excited to find new and unusual tools and innovative tools as well. If they're weird and quirky, I love it. If they're weird and quirky and I'm going to add them into my toolkit and they're actually practical, it's even better. Hopefully you've discovered a few new tools, and like I say, if there's any of these stand out to you, I will put links down to all of them in the description, including shadow foam, because you can get shadow foam on Amazon, but the best place to get shadow foam is always at shadowfoam.com, where you get the best prices, you get quantity discounts, free cutting kits with most orders, and we have inserts for every toolbox and 9 different colors and loads of sizes. We also have some brand new sheet sizes at Shadow Foam 2 as well now. We've got some much bigger standard sheets for bigger size roll cabs. So whatever size drawers you've got, or if you've got a modular toolbox system, we've got Shadow Foam just for you. So hopefully you enjoy this, and if you did, next week I've got something very exciting, because I'm having an Amazon returns pallet delivered to me, and this one has got a Makita tool on the top of it. So all I've seen is a picture. It's branded returns, they're checked returns. I know it's got tools because there's a Makita box right on the top. So you're not going to want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe and drop a comment down below, because you will be entered into the giveaway for the Flex 4-volt screwdriver. And while you're down there, if you click the bell icon, you'll get a notification when I put out that Amazon returns pallet. Because it was an expensive pallet, this one, 2 grand of Amazon branded returns. but there was a Lego set on the top and there was a Makita set on the top. So I've got high hopes. But to whet your appetite while you're waiting for next week's Amazon return pallet, maybe go and check out this Amazon return pallet, because this one was also a bit of a banger. And this is the one that started it all. So go and watch that video and I'll see you next week.